Find the value of x. Gawin nating simple, gawin nating madali. We have x minus 4 is equal to 3. Ang task po natin dyan is to isolate x. Sabihin po, kailangan iwan natin siya ng mag-isa dyan sa left side ng equation. Kasi meron tayong dalawang side ng equation. If this is the equal sign, yung number 3 po, yung nasa right side ni equal sign, that's the right side of equation. At yung nasa left side naman po ni equal sign, that's the left side of the equation, obviously. No? So we have x on the left side at kailangan sa left side mag-isa lang po si x. So we have to remove negative 4. So paano po yun? So we have to add 4. Ulitin ko ha, kapag tayo po mag-remove ng negative 4, mag-add lang po tayo ng 4 para maging 0 po siya. Para matanggal po siya. No? And kung ano pong gagawin natin on the left side of the equation, gagawin din po natin sa right side ng equation. So mag-add din po tayo ng 4 sa kanya. Okay? So let's add negative 4 plus positive 4. Okay? Siyempre, kapag ganyan pong equation, cancel na lang po yan. Kasi negative 4 plus positive 4, that will be 0. So magiging sagot po dyan ay wala na. So x na lang po matitira sa left side ng equation natin. And that is equal to 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. Kaya, check natin kung tama ba talaga yung 7 as the value of x. Okay? Kanina sabi natin, x is equal to 7. Let's substitute the value of x to 7. Okay? That's 7. And then bring down natin yung minus 4 is equal to 3. Is it correct? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3? Yes, it is correct. No? Kahit grade 1, kayang sagutin niya. No? So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Let's try another one. We have, find the value of x. X plus 7 is equal to negative 2. Ganun pa rin. If we have negative 7, no, kailangan ma-isolate natin ulit si x. Pero meron tayong positive 7. So kailangan maalis natin siya by subtracting 7 both sides. Okay, nakukuha. Again, kasi ang opposite po ni addition ay subtraction. So para maging 0 po yan, para mawala po siya, mag-subtract ka po ng 7. At gagawin mo po siya both sides. Okay, let's add them. So positive 7 plus negative 7, that will be 0. So cancel na lang ulit. Okay, at may iwan po sa atin si x is equal to negative 2 plus negative 7 or negative 2 minus 7, that will be negative 9. Parehas lang po yung sinabi ko ha. Okay? That will be x is equal to negative 9. Okay? Check ulit natin kung tama ba si negative 9. Okay? X plus 7 is equal to 2, negative 2 rather, and then x is equal to negative 9. Substitute natin yung value ni x, gawin natin negative 9. Okay? And then bring down natin yung positive 7 is equal to negative 2. Will it make sense? Negative 9 plus 7 is equal to negative 2. Okay, different sign. So we have to subtract, no? So negative 9. So 9 minus 7, that will be 2. So mas malaki po yung 9. Therefore, it is negative. We'll be using negative. No? Yung absolute value kasi ni 9 ni negative 9 ay mas malaki sa absolute value ni positive 7. Therefore, we'll be using this sign, which is negative. No? So negative 2 ang sagot. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, tumama po yung sagot natin. No? That the value of x is equal to negative 9. Okay. Ikaw naman po, try natin. No? We have x plus 12 is equal to negative 4. Find the value of x. Good luck. Ilagay niyo po yung sagutin niyo sa comment section.